My hobby. Reading books is my hobby. I read only good and useful books. I read some good journals also. I get much useful knowledge from them. Reading gives me much pleasure. I can enjoy the company of great writers by reading their works. I can learn from them the good and noble things of life. They contain the wisdom of ages. They are an endless store of knowledge. We can learn much from them. They give us food for the mind. Reading books is the best of all hobbies. It is not very expensive. We can borrow books from libraries. Good books are the best friends.